Fucking flat battery. That's not a good start, is it? You see this, right? I've never understood this with PCA. So apparently this car comes with no service history, nothing. I go in the boot, and it's got history. Bill there. What's that for? Just a full service, another service, another service. Better than nothing though, innit? Interior's nice though. But that's broke. Door handle. I buy a lot of cars off like Facebook and private sellers get offered cars, blah blah blah, but obviously there's nothing out there. It's either categorised, high mileage, crap I don't want to buy, scrap. So we've come BCA. I know about auction cars. Obviously I've seen this, like the look of it. On paper it looks mint. So you buy it, you bid on it, you pay for it. The money's gone out of your account before you've even seen the car. So obviously we've come today. They're saying it's all green, which means no problem with it. I mean, we found a few little issues with it up to now. Tyres, it needs a door handle, Bluetooth module in the back because the mileage is flashing. But overall, it is a nice car. Like, there's no major damage on it. Obviously, it's HPI clear. The mileage is good. Service history as well. It's another thing with BCA. Apparently, I had no service history of it. I go in the boot, the butt pack's there. Loads of history of it. But yeah, bonus on that one. But yeah, it needs a couple of tyres. That's bald. Other side's bald. But colour's nice, specs nice, wheels nice. Interior, oh, that's the problem, look. Don't work. But yeah, overall, good car. And for those out there probably think as well, oh, auction cars, you get them for peanuts. You literally don't. But now, to be fair, I'll probably just take it home or take it somewhere that needs a door handle on it, which you're not going to get today. MOT, valet, get it online, get it shifted.